Guys, good luck. It is 70 division. In our Stokes, please do it as goods. So that way it's easier for me to print out a label that way. So yeah, just send it as regular goods. That's fine with me. Sterling baseball, guys. Good luck. Box 1, Sterling baseball. And yes, it is 70 a division. Got our first one is Tampa Bay Rays, Jake Odorizzi. I'm going to scoot this one up a little bit, and we'll scoot this one back a little bit. Hold on, sorry. There we go, that'll be a little bit easier for you. There we go, Jake Odorizzi, Tampa Bay Rays. Got a base auto, Pittsburgh Pirates. Tell you what, this first case we've done has been pretty nice. Pirates base, Nick Kingman. Nick Kingman, base for the Pirates. Nick Kingman, base, Pittsburgh Pirates. Next base, Houston Astros base. Carlos Correa, Houston Astros. Carlos Correa, Houston Astros. Carlos Correa. And next one, got Raul Mondesi Jr., also known as Alberto Mondesi. Kansas City Royals, base Raul Mondesi. Kansas City Royals. Box number 2. Got a duel of Matt Harvey, Bryce Harper. Matt Harvey, Bryce Harper. Got a sticker auto. Another Pirates, though. Alan Hansen. Alan Hansen. Pittsburgh Pirates. Alan Hansen. Eric, thanks, sir. So this whole pack was sticker autos. You don't run into that. Seattle Mariners, Patrick Callahan. Patrick Callahan, Seattle Mariners base. And another base going to the Yanks. Rafael De La Paula. Yankees, Rafael De La Paula. Number 3. Got a Rockies, Nolan Arenado. The Rocks. My gosh. This is the third one of these we've gotten so far. And we've gone through, this is our 5th box of this case. Austin Meadows. We've gotten 2 base Austin Meadows and an Austin Meadows at a 150 in 5 boxes so far. Austin Meadows. Got Austin Wilson, Seattle Mariners. Austin Wilson, Seattle Mariners base. Austin Wilson. And we got a refractor out of 99. Refractor auto out of 99. Yankee we haven't hit yet. Michael O'Neill. Michael O'Neill for the Yanks. Michael O'Neill. Got Cody Ash. That's his name. Cody Ash. Phillies. Refractor out of 199. Cody Ash. Got a base for the Minnesota Twins. Miguel Sano, Minnesota Twins. It was out of 99. That is correct. Miguel Sano, base for the Twins. Got a Diamondbacks. Archie Bradley. Archie Bradley for the Diamondbacks. Archie Bradley. And a base, St. Louis Cardinals. St. Louis Cardinals base, Carlos Martinez. Carlos Martinez. Carlos Martinez. St. Louis Cardinals. Thanks, guys. So we'll double check them all when we get done. Then we'll do our randoms and then we'll get going. Rocks, David Dahl. David Dahl, base for the Rocks. Got a Cincinnati Reds base. Kevin Franklin. Kevin Franklin, Cincinnati Reds base. Kevin Franklin. Got a base for the Angels. Base for the Angels. Hunter Green. Hunter Green, base for the Angels. Hunter Green. And a gold auto out of 50. Gold auto out of 50. Going to the Tampa Bay Rays. Nick Sufo. Tampa Bay Rays. Gold. Nick Sufo out of 50. Nick Sufo out of 50. Last pack. Got a redemption. Got a Mark Appel. Houston Astros. Mark Appel. Houston Astros. Got a New York Mets. L.J. Mazzilli. L.J. Mazzilli. New York Mets. L.J. Mazzilli. Got a Sterling Blue Sapphire. A Sterling Blue Sapphire signings. I wonder what those are out of. Got a Tucker Newis for the Brewers. Tucker Newis. Tucker Newis for the Milwaukee Brewers. I'm going to look see what this is out of real quick. I didn't say I'm going to get a pack. What are the Blue Sapphires? Blue Sapphire. Let's see. I think they're out of 5. A Sterling Blue Sapphire. 1 in 1,200 packs. 1 in 1,200 packs. This one might be a good one. Sterling Blue Sapphire. Manny Machado. Baltimore Orioles. Sterling Blue Sapphire. That's pretty sweet. I think this is probably one of the best cases I've seen. Now we've seen a Puig in here. We've gotten a Buxton, a Correa, 3 Austin Meadows. Got a Machado Blue Sapphire. Oh gosh, Philadelphia scored again. Box number 2, Sterling Baseball, box 2. Yeah, and Deshaun Jackson's on my fantasy team too. Yay. Got Daniel Vogelbach, Cubbies. Got Pittsburgh Pirates, Blake Taylor. I know, Blake Taylor, Pirates. So I'll show you my fantasy team after we get done with this. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. Got a Mets, Noah Syndergaard. New York Mets. And a refractor out of 75. I need to get more cases. Refractor out of 75. Blue Sapphires are out of 50. Thanks, Eric. Or no, it's not the Blue Sapphire. It's a blue. It's the Sterling version. It's the Sterling sign. I don't know. Got out of 75. Yanks, Ian Clarkin. Ian Clarkin for the Yankees. Refractor. It is the, let's see here. It's the Sterling Blue Sapphire signings. So whichever one that is. So it might be different than just the regular blue sapphire. I don't know. My eyes are terrible trying to read the back of the pack. Got a base of Hunter Green, Angels. Got a Detroit Tigers, Jordan Crawford, Detroit Tigers. Got a White Sox. Tim Anderson for the Chicago White Sox. Got a Kansas City Royals. Hunter Dozier, Kansas City Royals. Hunter Dozier, Kansas City Royals. Got a Marlins, Marcell Ozuna. Marlins. That one is out of 50. Marcell Ozuna, gold out of 50. White Sox, Jacob May. Jacob May for the White Sox. Got a Giants. San Francisco Giants, Ryder Jones. Ryder Jones for the Giants. And New York Met, 125. Dominic Smith, New York Mets at a 125. Dominic Smith for the Mets, 125. Got a Puig. Blue Sapphire. Kind of cool looking. Blue Sapphire Puig reprint. Got a Minnesota Twins, Cole Stewart, Minnesota Twins. Got a Baltimore Orioles, Josh Hart, Baltimore Orioles. And a refractor out of 150 for the White Sox. White Sox, Tyler Danish. White Sox out of 150, Tyler Danish. Last two packs. Hey, nice. We've got a Bowman Black. It's our first Bowman Black. Refractor, Didi Gregorius. Out of 199. Seattle Mariners. Victor Sanchez. Base, Victor Sanchez. Mariners. St. Louis Cardinals. Robert Kaminsky, St. Louis Cardinals. And a Bowman Black out of 25, number 25 of 25. John Denny, Boston Red Sox. 25 of 25. John Denny, Boston Red Sox. Bowman Black, 25 of 25. Last pack, and then I'll double check payments, and we'll get going with our extra threads. Got a Clayton Blackburn, Jack Peterson. Giants, Dodgers. Got a Marlins, Colin Morin. Got a Diamondbacks base, Braden Shipley. And a base, going to finish with a Yankee, go figure. Yankees have by far gotten the most out of all these total 6 boxes we've done so far. Aaron Judge for the Yanks. Finishing our Bowman Sterling baseball tonight, guys. Give me about